Okay, so I've been using two stands here in my studio. The first one is something that I use for my mixer, and the second one I use it for my computer. Now, some of the stands could be utilized for different things. You could use it for your iPad. You could even use it to read a book or something like that. So again, they are very, very flexible to different systems out there. But the first one I love because again, I use it with my mixer, but it's so portable, so small, it's ridiculous. It's really, really small, really easy to take anywhere. So you could put it inside your backpack or something like that, and you could easily take it with you. It has a bunch of different adjustments, different levels, up to 7 angles. So you could go up and down. And again, the ability to do that allows you to actually be able to have a better stand or a better position sitting down at your desk, which again is going to help you a lot. You could set it up at 15 degrees, 20 degrees, all the way to 45 degrees. And again, it's very, very beneficial. It's supposed to hold like 90 pounds, which is totally ridiculous. Anti-slip little silicones, which is going to keep that computer or whatever system you put in place. And again, so small that it's just ridiculous. Very, very small, really light, very easy to take anywhere. And like I said, you could use an iPad. You could put multiple different things there. Now, the second one is what I use for my computer, and I'm going to tell you, it's doing fantastic. Both of the stands I have here for months upon months, and they're really inexpensive. Again, I love it because it's really nice and it brings the computer a little bit higher. But not only that, it gives you a little bit of space in the bottle. So I actually have a video switcher that I keep under there. And again, it kind of gives me that space to put it there. It comes in different colors, which is really cool. Very, very easy to put together. And again, both systems are really good quality and very inexpensive.